This is a 2007 Honda Accord. It features a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a power moonroof, heated front seats, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, an electronic throttle, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, multi-reflector halogen headlights, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.